We're here at the ELAN booth, CEDIA 2019, showing off new solutions for the intelligent home. Had a fantastic show. Thanks to everybody who joined us. If you couldn't make the show, come on in and see what you missed. ELAN enables intelligent solutions for residential projects of all sizes, from media rooms to essential control to whole home and luxury. And ELAN delivers solutions for commercial projects as well, like the sports bars and hospitality we demoed at the booth. The new ELAN Intelligent Touch Panel won 4 awards at the show, including CEDIA Best Product. With face recognition and voice control, this new interface enables a more intuitive, intelligent, and personalized control experience than ever. The new ELAN Video Doorbell uses intelligent motion analytics to eliminate those false alerts that cause homeowners to shut off their notices. Of course, it syncs seamlessly with ELAN Surveillance. Speaking of surveillance, we showed the upcoming ELAN Network Video Recorder with a new form factor designed for the structured wiring box, plus 6 new 4-megapixel cameras, all with advanced video analytics. Watch for these coming soon. The upcoming ELAN SC100 controller delivers a sensational media room experience, and with its integrated Z-Wave, it scales easily to essential home control. This scalability makes it an ideal choice for builder projects. For those higher-end installations with large video needs, the new ELAN Video over IP system makes video distribution easy. And the upcoming ELAN IP amplifiers were indeed impressive, delivering high-quality audio over the network. Using Dante, this new line decentralizes provisioning and reduces cabling, leading to lower installation time and cost. Integrators signed up at the show to be early adopters for the new ELAN Management Cloud, for real-time, real status monitoring right down to the device level, plus remote configuring of every project. The Management Cloud will change the way integrators manage their business and installations. We had a lot to show, but paused for some fun as well, celebrating ELAN's 30th anniversary with partners old and new. Thanks again for joining us. For more information, ELANHomeSystems.com.